So, what is up? It's Russell here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your images deep fried. I don't know. I had no idea. So let's get our bg3.jpg ready. Okay, first, what we would start with, let's make a div. We can also make an img source equals bg3.jpg. Then take that alt away. Width can be, let's put in 800 pixels, and the height will be 600. All right. Images slash. There we go. Now we have that ready. Yeah, we can style it. I'm just gonna use a style tag because yeah. Now we're going to put it on the middle, and you can do it by using position, absolute. Wait, oops, forgot something. Got to do margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing, border box. Now img, and let's position absolute top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate, negative 50%, negative 50%. Great. Now we have it in the middle. Now let's use filter. And do you want to use contrast? Let's try 200%. There, we have it deep fried. Make it brighter. Use brightness. And let's put in 200%. There we go. So we can just make it get very high. This might get very, very bright, so beware, all you light mode users. Now let's set it to 300% and let's see how this goes. Okay. Oh, it's getting deep fried real quick. Oh. Let's try 1,000. Oof. More? Oh my gosh. Okay, get ready. Huh, didn't change. Now let's try with other images. Oof. Ooh. Oh well. Yeah, there you have it. Anyways, I remember I had some images of myself from the GoPro. GoPro 3057.jpg. GoPR 3059.jpg. No, that doesn't work. What else should we try? Oh, right. Let's try video. Oh. Video. And then slash video. Okay, let's see how much we can do. Video dot mp4. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I guess we just have this image of the video, but oh my gosh. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, whatever, blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, bye.